Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kim, your favorite yadi. Yeah, how you doing? Hopefully everybody is doing wonderful on this lovely day. It's a really nice day where I'm at. Hopefully it's the same for you. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping in. Before you get into the video, make sure that you hit that subscribe button because I guarantee you're gonna love this video, and there's tons more just like this and lots of other different kind of content as well. Feel free to browse and just find something to your liking, but yeah, make sure you're a part of the family. Today's video is all about the hair. Yes, it's about time for me to switch it up on y'all, and I am so excited because today's wig is gonna be something a little bit different. It's been a while since I've done something like this, so yeah, I'm not about to tease y'all. I'm gonna get right into it. Yeah. This hair was sent to me by a company called Hot Beauty Hair. Truthfully, I have never heard of them, so when I got the email, I was a little bit sketchy, like, where'd y'all come from, you know, because sometimes a lot of these people be scamming, and yeah, I'm usually really skeptical. Yeah, I do not accept every single offer for a wig review. So just so y'all know, you know, when I do these kind of videos, you don't have to feel like, oh well, duh, she got a free wig, so she's gonna say it's good. If you are not new here and you watch my other hair reviews, you will know I do share when I am not impressed by something or if I have a problem. But this is my first time working with this company. First thing I will say, packaging. So it came in a DHL package, so I opened the packaging already. First of all, the box came to me really damaged. I'm not gonna blame the company. My assumption is that this happened in transit. I don't think they would intentionally mail out a package looking like this, especially for review. That just doesn't make any sense from a business perspective to me. So I'm gonna give them the benefit of the doubt on that one and just say, DHL, you dropped the ball. Like, be careful with people's packaging. The box looks really good. It kind of has this I don't know if you can tell, it's almost like a metallic-ish finish. It's not, ooh, I got the hiccups. It's not, oh god, this is gonna be annoying. It's like giving me like a metallic, a satin-ish metallic vibe. And I love the rose gold writing on it. It's really cute. Even the bag that it comes in, it's a nice satin bag. So it's kind of like, I don't know, it feels a little bit luxurious. The fact that it's not just in a mesh bag, I like that a lot. Opening the box up, I don't know if all these companies are low-key owned by the same company or what, but they have a lot of similarities. This is literally the same like thing from Love Me. It just says Hot Beauty Hair, and then it says Hot Girl and Enjoy Beauty. Inside we have, oh, these are cute. I love this. So we have an extra headband, which I may or may not be using. We'll see. Have some bobby pins, really good. Tweezers if you want to tweeze it. A little edge brush, can't have too many of these. And then these are so cute. I got 2 of these little clips. This is new. I haven't received a wig with anything like this in it, so this is cute. Just these little I don't know what you call these clips, but they're super cute. I really love the color as well. And then, you know, of course there's a wig cap, and then there's this care package pamphlet. Okay, so into the wig itself. It's been a while since I've worn anything in the red family. This beautiful cranberry color. I'm gonna take the net off so you can really see it a lot better. I'm sorry the light isn't like super bright. My light's acting stupid, but I had to get this video up. So it feels nice. There's no overwhelming smell or anything like that. right off rip, I can tell you, I pulled it out and I could see, like, y'all probably won't be able to tell, but there is like a few like stragglers just hanging down below, and I thought maybe the wig was just, I'm gonna try to see if you could see, but can you see, like, there's a few little loose strands, like not a lot, but can you see like just a few? I was trying to like fluff it out, but then I noticed they're actually coming out, so I don't know what that's about. Usually when I get wigs, like, they don't really have shedding, so I'm hoping that this is not like an indication that this wig will be shedding a lot, because literally every time I pull, I'm getting, like, let me show you how much hair I've gotten out so far just by pulling on it a few times. Come on, focus. It's trying to focus on me. That's what I got so far. It's not alarming, but still, for a new wig, I usually, like I said, most times I don't get anything at all, or if I do, it's just like 2 strands. This is like not 2 strands, but I'm gonna go ahead, pull out everything that wants to come out now, and just assume that those are loose hairs that just was in it before and not actual shedding. But it is quite a bit, like, it's kind of blowing my mind a little bit. I don't know, maybe they cut it, I don't know. I really just don't know what to say that's about. I guess we'd have to ask the manufacturer, but so far I don't like that. I'm really living for the color though. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my head because I'm tired of looking like this right now. Let me look online and find this company. Oh, they're having a buy one get one sale right now. That's really cool. And they have Afterpay, which is also really cool. This one says shoulder grazing curly wig with wispy bangs, and the starting price for it is $169 for a 14-inch, and then they have a 16-inch for $189, so a $40 difference. Okay, let's go ahead and put her on. Okay, so this is the wig straight on my head. I don't know whose head they think is this long, but y'all, I can barely even see you. The color is gorgeous. I can see that much. Like, the color is gorgeous. I am loving it. Oh yes, I can't wait to get these bangs out of my face though. I cut it so it kind of just frames just right around my eyes. I feel like it's kind of giving like a sultry little mysterious vibe that I like. I'm gonna get it wet, and I feel like when I get it wet, the curls are gonna be a little bit tighter, so I don't want to cut it any shorter before I see how it's gonna look once I get it wet. Oh yes, she is framing my face really nicely. Looks so good, so good. Oh my god, what can we name her? This shit is giving me a vibe for real. This color, red looks good on me. Like, red looks really good on me. I actually kind of like the curl that it's giving right now too, but curiosity is killing me to see what the actual curls are gonna look like if I get it wet. So I'm gonna spray just lightly because I don't want to get my face wet or my clothes. And also I want to see if, like, when it's wet, it's gonna start doing anything weird, like shedding abnormally or anything like that, because some wigs do that. Like, when it's wet and you try to comb through it, like, there's just a lot of hair coming out. Okay, can y'all tell the difference between, like, the side that I wet, the curl that it's giving now versus like how it came? It is completely different. I feel like this side has dropped a little bit. Can you tell? I'm going to keep spraying it because I want it just a little bit more wet. I want to see, like, really what's going to happen. It's giving me like a wet and wavy vibe. I had a wet and wavy wig one time, and this was the kind of curl it had. So maybe it is a like a wet and wavy type of wig. I feel like it would look beautiful straightened too. I do love it wet. Like I really love it wet. Ooh, this is giving, honey. Deontay's gonna have to take some photos for me for the gram because sis. But I really like I'm constantly pulling hair out of my fingers though, and that's blowing my mind. I really do love it so much more now that it's wet. I loved it before, but I really love it wet. I feel like these bangs could get cut more, but I know that when the hair dries and it's not as heavy, it's gonna fluff up, and I don't want to cut it short now, and then when it fluffs up it looks stupid. So I'm just gonna stop scissoring it. Ew, no, that does not sound right. I'm just gonna leave it alone. God, I love the way it frames my eyes. I love bangs, by the way. I cut my hair in bangs so many times in high school, but now that I'm older, I won't. So this is really giving me a vibe. Like, I love it. Oh my gosh, getting the curls wet and doing this half up is really doing it for me. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna step outside so you can see it in natural light, and then I'm just gonna actually just go ahead and tell you my final thoughts outside as well. So let's go. Oh my gosh though, but I don't feel like there's a person on live that could tell me I don't look good right now. Like, that's the vibe. Okay guys, that's it. Do you think she looks different outside? Like, kind of show a little bit. Looks really good. I feel like I think I really like it. The only cons that I will say about this wig is the shedding. Of course, y'all know, y'all saw for yourself, it was blowing my mind. And then the fact that it came with the bangs so long, I feel like they did it that way so it could be customizable to anybody. But y'all know me, if you watch any of my other reviews, a good wig to me is a wig that I can just throw on and go. I like ease. I'm a mom of 3, so most times I don't have time to sit here and really style a wig. Like, I love a convenient wig. Like when I'm looking crazy in the house and I need to go out real quick, I need something to just throw on my head and just head out the house in 5 minutes. This is not that kind of wig. I feel like it did take a little bit to make it look how it looks now. I'm gonna take a couple photos in it with this half up style, and then I'm gonna take it down and take photos with the half, with it just all down. I like it both ways, but for now she's giving. She is absolutely giving. Even with the pros, the cons that I listed, I would still buy it. So if you like this wig, I will have a coupon code below for you to save some money. And yeah, so make sure that you use that code. Yo, one last final shot. Make sure you subscribe to my channel before you go, and check out my other wig reviews. I will see you in the next one. Bye.